a GPCR model. So first of all, the stimulant dog is after the man. Dog act as a क्या है? Stimulant, and the stimulation is fear, fight and flight. Then the sympathetic nervous system will activate. Okay, this sympathetic nervous system will activate. Then the synthesis, storage and release of neurotransmitter, that is norepinephrine. These norepinephrine will go and bind to the cardiac muscles, that is the cardiomyocytes, and zooming this cardiomyocytes a single cell. Okay, this is the GPCR, G protein coupled receptor. Okay, why GPCR? Because G protein is associated with this receptor. G protein is what? The G protein is associated with the trimeric protein, that is alpha, beta and gamma. Basically alpha is associated with the GDP. This GDP, when the stimulation will come as a norepinephrine, then GDP will refuse and GTP will acquire. When the GTP will acquire, the alpha will dissociate from the beta and gamma, and these stimulated alpha will stimulate the adenyl cyclase and membranous adenyl cyclase, and these adenyl cyclase is responsible to convert the ATP to the cyclic AMP. Okay, now the cyclic AMP will further stimulate the protein kinase A, which is responsible for the phosphorylation of the enzyme, transcriptional factor, as well as the ion channel, calcium ion channel. So when the phosphorylation will occur in the enzyme, then alter the metabolism. When the transcriptional factor will phosphorylate, then alter the genomic expression of the cells, and when this will act on the calcium channel, then it will open. And calcium, as you know, the extracellular calcium is more, then the diffusion law will act, and the higher concentration to its lower concentration it will move. So calcium is the higher in the extracellularly, that's why calcium will move from the outer side to inner side, and resultant will be the muscle contraction or heart rate will increase. So this is the concept behind the three concepts, that is sympathetic stimulation, sympathetic outflow, neurotransmitter synthesis, storage and release, and finally on the cardiomyocytes, the sympathetic action through the GPCR. Thank you very much.